everyone, it's Holly here and welcome to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create these elegant crepe paper piano roses with a lovely spiral center. Take your time, pause the video as needed and use the chapters to easily navigate back to any part of the tutorial. This design pairs with a piano rose template which you can purchase on my website with all the instructions you need. If you enjoy making paper flowers, don't forget to subscribe for more stunning designs, and if you're ready with your template, let's dive in. Using your template as a guide, carefully cut out all the petals you'll need for your rose. Take your time to ensure clean and precise edges. To shape the central petal, use your thumbs to gently stretch the crepe paper, curving the petal inwards to create a soft, rounded shape. For the inner petals, use your shaping tool to gently curve the back of the petal for added dimension. Then lightly stretch the center of each petal with your thumbs. For the outer petals, carefully stretch the center of each petal with your thumbs, creating a subtle curve that will give your rose a natural look. Take your inner petals and apply a small amount of glue along the edge of one petal and attach the next petal. Continue this process until all the inner petals are glued together. Now take the central petal, apply glue across the middle and wrap it around the floral wire to form the rose's core. Next, you'll want to attach the inner petals to the central petal, gluing and rotating them to create a lovely swirling effect. Finish by attaching the outer petals. Overlap each petal slightly with the previous one to build up the classic rose shape. Glue the sepals to the base of the rose, positioning them evenly around the petals. Fold the piece of tissue and secure it with glue, wrapping it neatly around the base of the petals to form the rose hip. To complete the flower, wrap the stem with crepe paper. For this rose, I recommend using the same crepe paper as you use for the sepals for a cohesive look, but floral tape can also be used if preferred. Here's the final result. Your elegant piano rose is now complete. I hope you had fun crafting along with me today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more stunning paper flower tutorials. You can grab other templates on my website. The link will be in the description box below. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys!